question to you is, how many of you see an opportunity getting on board the knowledge based business model? Knowledge givers, apna time aa gaya. Do you believe apna time aa gaya? How many of you believe apna time aa gaya? How many of you believe apna time aa gaya? Apna time aa gaya. Thank you, Dr. Mona. 80 AG. Apna time aa gaya. Awesome. Awesome. Right? So let me give you a quick recap. Welcome everyone to this session. On for the final session, day 5 session, I'm going to be having a specific agenda for today. So I'll give a quick recap on what we have covered so far. We looked at your internal and external challenges, right? We looked at what it takes to change gears, the new age skills, the digital skills, the language of the digital world, the copywriting skills, which is in the form of the content and communication that you will write to express your business, right? And we also looked at the success blueprint in the internet age, which is 8 pieces of the digital puzzle and 5 pillars that connect together for your online growth. The 5 pillars will help you shift from offline to online. So the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle: website, content, communication, social media, marketing, funnels, automation, campaigns, and analytics, right? So we looked at how the website should no longer be a static, unidirectional, informative site on the internet, which is just talking what you do. I provide this, I provide that. Nobody's interested. It has to be converted into an online office. It should run like an office where when someone lands up on your homepage, then they are not navigating on their own. You are making them navigate your website. You must be having lead magnets on your website, because once you give someone, once you give an ebook free, assessment free, PDFs free, people are willing to give their contact details, and that's how you will be building your list, right? So instead of asking them, giving your contact details and asking them to write an email, you capture the leads via the lead magnet, right? Your influence building material, digital assets like videos, podcast, blogs, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, the influence or free Zoom sessions, all of these become your lead magnets. Okay, and it is important to capture the lead. The problem is you right now you're having a lot of lead leaks. It's lead leaks. People come and watch your video, but you are not telling them that, you're not directing them into your lead capture mechanism. There is no call to action. It's called CTA. There are 6 important components of your website to be replaced with online office. And I'm going to be conducting free weekly masterminds. So I'm going to be covering all these topics, because there is so much to cover that I try to give as much as I can, but it is too overwhelming to receive at that end as well, right? So we looked at how these 8 pieces of the digital puzzle and 5 pillars connect. We looked at the art of conversions, which is selling. For the knowledge based business, you will have to have a funnel, conversion funnel, which is lead magnet, and then a low ticket offering called Tripwire, and then your core product implementation, which is called the core offering, and then your profit maximizer, which can be group coaching, consulting, mentoring, group sessions, or personal consulting coaching session. That is how you will create your conversion funnel. That's how you will convert. Because in the online world, nobody will buy straight away 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 products just like that. Okay, so that's about the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle. And community building. So it's just not one time you sold someone your product and you are not in touch with them. So because profit comes from repeat sales. Repeat sales will come from your existing customers. Most of us are busy running after new customers. But once somebody has bought something from you, nurture them. They're already in. They value your offering. They have made the decision to purchase. They're investing their time, money, and resources with you. So, do you think, is it important to take care of them? Take care of your existing customer. This is where most businesses fail. The chasing new customers who are difficult to get and not focusing on your existing customers. Yes, Dr. Mona is right. So, do you think it is important to take care of your existing customers? Yes. So, you must have the right balance of finding new customers as well as taking care of your existing customers. Remember, the flywheel model happens then. Otherwise, you are simply hunting your customers. But if you want to make a lot of money in the or make a profitable business out of your knowledge based business, this is true for any business, it is important that you nurture. Your course is like a seed that you will sow, and it needs the right fertile condition, right environment when you're sowing the seed. It needs, so first, your course, your digital asset, your ongoing program is a seed. It needs nurturing of your YouTube videos, your Facebook Live, your blogs, your articles, your podcast, your events, live events. It needs nurturing for it to grow into a fruit or flower bearing tree. And what is the right conditions to sow the seed? The GPS system. Because you are sowing the seed in the wrong soil, it is not going to grow, it will die. And that is what is happening to most of you. That clarity in what is your solution, what is your offering, comes from GPS. Right? Make sense? So we looked at the 3 stages of the knowledge business: digitalization, monetization, and market. Yes, what you sow, you shall reap. But that is a different thing. So nurture your customers, they will give you repeat sales, and that's your fruits and flowers. Now the question is, do you have control on okay, looking at the quality of seed, can you tell what kind of fruit or flower it will produce? Looking at the quality or type of seed, just looking at the seed, do you know what kind of flower or fruit, what kind of it is going to produce? So you are that seed, you yourself are a seed, right? I was watching one of the series on Netflix on Dr. Shetty from Narayan Rudralaya. You know, what he did actually, what was he doing before, and how the moment he said he was not a great student, he was a backbencher, he would not even attend classes and had no meaning and no purpose in life. But the day he saw that heart beating, okay, he found his purpose. You must watch that series on Netflix. It's called The Surgical Cut. I think that's the name of the series. There was one other doctor who was a neurosurgeon. He was from Mexico. He ran away from Mexico he was an immigrant from Mexico to America. And his past was, he was a labor. He was working as a labor, and then he became a neurosurgeon. So looking, you are that seed. You don't even know what kind of flower or fruit bearing person you can become. Whoever is extraordinary today was ordinary one day, someday. Right? Okay. So now there are 3 stages of the knowledge business: digitalization, monetization, and marketing. Digitalization doesn't mean that simply going ahead and recording your course or converting it into text, digitally, Word or PDF or PPT, right? By digitalization, I am meaning that create digital assets. Your courses, your programs will become digital assets. Whether you will live on this planet or not, your digital products will live. Do you agree? Isn't it a great way to leave your legacy? And if you are in some evergreen offerings like yoga, like, the food, diet, health, evergreen body related stuff, right? Emotional stuff, right? Mindset related stuff, right? That's evergreen. It is such an easy way to leave your legacy and pass what your knowledge, astrology, numerology. If you are in that space, something which is evergreen, for example, digital marketing, if we are teaching today, Facebook is there, Instagram is there, some other product will come later. That's not evergreen. But the fundamentals of marketing, the customer psychology, people psychology, these are evergreen stuff. Isn't it a great way to build your legacy? Isn't it a great way to pass it as an inheritance in your will to your children, to your next generation? Sab chhod do. How you lived your life. We have Prem Bhatia ji, 70+ year old, how he has lived his life. If he digitizes how he has simply lived his life and just pass it on as his legacy to his next generation. There is so much that can be done. Agree? Agree? Yes? Yes? So you look at if your course calligraphy, beautiful. It is helping people go from many thoughts to one thought state. You're so focused, right? You don't know what it is doing to them spiritually. It is removing the clutter in their mind and helping them align. Because from many thoughts, we move into, it's a tool from many thoughts to one thought state. All of you have amazing knowledge. That is why I say your knowledge is gold. You just need that 8% systems and digital tools to create beautiful digital products. Market it. There's a 3 stages of your knowledge business. Again, not that digitalization, monetization, marketing. The whole, and for digitalization itself, you prepare, you publish, and you promote. And that preparation, if tell me, if what in a tree makes it strong? What of the tree makes it strong? How does a tree grow strong? What in the tree makes it strong? Root. Is the root visible to you of any tree? For a mango tree, can you see the roots? No. So most of the people see only the visible, the branches, trees, leaves, flowers, fruits. But what is really strong inside are the roots. And that GPS system is the root of your business. It's the foundation, it's the root, it's the invisible stuff. Can you see the invisible stuff? Right? So I hope you understand that. I know when somebody had written that I still don't know how to structure and my knowledge, I'm thinking that I'm giving you the essence foundation of the program. Or not, I'm giving you the foundation for your complete business. You will understand that once you get that right, you just have to create your content, publish it, promote it. Conversions, marketing and conversion is what will be left to do. And your marketing communication has to be totally awesome. Bang on, it has to touch the target audience, your target audience. They should be eager to come and work with you, to meet you, to see what you have to offer. Am I not walking my talk? Are you guys not eager to come and hear what I have to say? What I have to share? Right? So what is making me unique? What is making me authentic? What is making me real? My own stories, my own experiences. It's not read from some book. And I strongly feel about it. And that's what makes you unique. You will have your own examples to put your point across, your message across. Right? Now, so digitalization was which course to create? What are you passionate about? Is your passion solving a problem? Thank you, Dr. Mona. Is your passion solving a problem? For whom it is solving the problem? What kind of transformation can you guarantee to your customers? What is your solution? How does your solution make you unique? Is there a potential for the problem you're trying to solve? Are people willing to pay you? How much will they be willing to pay you? Will it bring pleasure in their life? Right. So digitalization is all about that. Which course to create amongst your multiple offering, multi-talented people here? Decide one and just get going. It's okay. You have to keep experimenting. What is working for you? And this is totally in your control. And I've also shared that 20-minute video. You don't accept a webcam, a good quality webcam. You don't need anything else. Zoom is free. 40 minutes recording you can do free. Virtual background, you can change all of that, right? It's an awesome tool. Everything simplified, right? Just go ahead and simply create your courses based on the GPS system. Digitalization, then we had monetization is all about you create your course, just do some boost campaign, 400 rupees a week with Facebook, choose your right target audience, have clarity in your communication. You don't need website right now. Just to monetize, you don't need all those branded stuff. Only if you mean serious business, you are in training for a lot of years, then you need all the complete marketing systems. And I spoke about all the tools, must have tools and optional tools. Right now, you just need a payment gateway, which is InstaMojo, Razorpay. You need some video editing tools. Note down two tools, Videos and Clidio. Okay, Clidio is $8 a month or $9 a month. It will help you, people who feel tech challenged. It is a great tool for them. Videos, in my some videos, you see my logo coming and that thingy happens in the beginning, a 15-second thing. My video, my logo trailer that I made using Videos, Viddoyze, Videos. I will write in the chat later. So I use those tools to just merge 2-3 videos. Okay, so these are, I'll give you a glimpse while after I make the offer, while I'm making for people to make the payment, I will share all these things. Okay, hold on. Okay, so these are two tools you can use. Record your product, publish it either on YouTube, control by unlisted and private. I showed you, you can make it unlisted, or take a $8 to $10 is hardly any money if you're okay. What is your revenue goal out of your knowledge business? What is your revenue goal? How much do you want to make? Let's ask Mr. If Tarunji is here. Tarunji, how much have you invested in your matrimonial product that you're creating? Tarunji is here. I want to know how much have you invested for your, if it is all right for you to share, how much have you invested in your matrimonial if you are there in the session today? If you're going to start, any business, do you think it needs investment? Okay, when you want to make money from stock market, you're investing, no, some money. When you're buying a real estate site, you're investing, no. Offline, you're going to open your institute, coaching center, office, whatever. You will pay rental, you will pay staff salaries, you have housekeeping, electricity bill, phone bills, whatever so many things are there, right? It's rentals and staff deposit, operational cost will be there. In your online business, your operational cost are your tool cost. $10, $20 to $10, 750 rupees. फिर एक ड्रिंक कॉकटेल आ जाती है, उसमें एक बार पी के उड़ा के खत्म कर देते हो आप. एक घर में पार्टी करते हो, 15-20 हजार ऐसे ही खत्म हो जाता है. डू वन पार्टी विद वन कॉकटेल, वन पार्टी एट योर होम, 15-20,000 just goes like this. Foo. And people think to invest in their business. Well, if your revenue goal is in lakhs or crores, how much are you willing to invest to make that kind of revenue? And somebody says free, 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 there is nothing called free. No business can be started for free. Okay, so digitalization, monetization, and marketing, right? So yeah, there your tool cost, domain cost, website cost, you must be willing to invest. Okay, and you can keep doing it on your own, and it is going to be costing a lot of money. Wait, guys, I'm just doing a screen share. Excuse me. So, can you see my screen? Audio, video clear, screen clear? All right. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Whoever joined in late, I hope you're enjoying the sessions. Okay. So that's all right. When you are able to do all of these, digitize, monetize, market using the necessary systems, right now you just need Facebook ads or boost post. You need a payment gateway and you need WhatsApp link if you are ready to get them on WhatsApp. That's all you need right now. Okay, lowest possible cost right now. If your product are good, that much will get you going. You're boosting, writing the, getting the right message across, communicating the right words, powerful words to get the attention of your target audience, boosting your post, collecting the leads. If WhatsApp is a way to collect the leads, directing them to the payment gateway, okay, and collecting the leads on your WhatsApp. But I want you to take the email IDs also. That is why you need that email autoresponder. That is all right now to just make about 3 lakhs a month kind of a thing. You will start with 5,000, 10,000, 15, 20. You have to stay on course. Don't get derailed. It's not the, you will not watch Netflix. You will not go for party. These, the things that you should not do to stay focused on the goals are easy. Easy to not to do. You know, one of my mentors made a very profound statement that it's not the bad things that keep us away from achieving goals. These are the good things that come in our life that stop us from achieving our goals. For example, I'm saying I'm going to help knowledge givers, whatever I want to do, help you guys with, right? But right now I keep getting opportunities for collaborations. Okay. Uh, that can you take end to end my company marketing? No. Then are they willing to pay my price as well, right? But it is derailing my goal, right? Because my focus will shift there. So it is not the bad things, the good things are also keep you away from your goal, because you are looking at long term or short term gains. So right. So guys, we also saw that you don't need money, you need strategies. And if you cannot make money when you don't have money, you will never know how to make money when you have money. I'll repeat that. If you don't know how to make money with money, sorry, if you do not know how to make money without money, you will never learn how to make money when you have money. Right? So how many of you think that, money is not everything? You know? Yeah. So there are two kinds of people who don't have money. They make this statement that money is not everything in life. And there are people who have money. If Mark Zuckerberg says, Warren Buffett says, Steve Jobs says, Jeff Bezos says, okay, if they say that money is not everything, yeah, they have earned it, right? So make sure that we make such statement only when we have a lot of money, right? Make sense? Right? Money is important. It solves a lot of problem in your life. So we looked at 3 stages on how to shift from offline to online. First stage is digitalization, which is in your control. Monetize with small set of people, set up all the marketing systems and invest in marketing when you are ready to scale. Invest in all systems when you are ready to scale. Otherwise, it is a leaking bucket, money leaking bucket. Okay. So your customers are like butterflies. Okay. So most of you are like running behind, chasing customers. Okay. So the choice is yours. Chase butterflies or build your own digital garden. Build your own digital garden so that butterflies come in search for you. Option 1, chase butterflies. Option 2, build your own garden. What do you choose? Make a choice. It's time to build your digital garden. Sonali wants to build her digital garden. Muttu, Gigi wants to build her digital garden. Awesome, guys. How many of you have decided that you're not going to answer whatever I'm going to ask? Is there anyone here who doesn't want to answer at all? We have so many people in the session, but there are only few people who answer. There are few who prefer not to answer, and there are some who have decided they'll never answer. Thank you for being spectators. And I love you guys who are playing. Okay. I love players. Spectators, enjoy the show. All right, guys, let's carry on. Okay. So, 4 action steps for digitalizing is deciding your course, record your product, upload to a platform, and start selling. Right. And I hope you realize that by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Vishwanath ji wants to build his own digital garden. Yes. So, do you recognize that there is a preparation stage? And if you are not preparing, you are preparing to fail. And yesterday we saw that be natural, be authentic, don't worry about perfectionism. People connect when you are real and honest. Just make sure you have lights are good, audio quality is good, there is no noise in the background, right? So it is all about doing it, then doing it right and doing it better. Right? Now my question to you is, are you in the right environment for growth? Are you in the right environment for your growth? What does your growth mean? It's time. Yes, yes, yes. Outside this session, outside this session, outside this session, do you think you have the necessary support system that can help you grow? What you want to do? Whom are you taking advices from? Someone who has never done it, your peer? You know what is which is the most precious place on this earth? Very, very precious and very, what do you say? It's a precious, it's a like the most precious place on the planet. Graveyard. Graveyard. You know why? Because there are millions of people who have left this planet with their ideas. There are $1 million ideas that went away with people because they never took actions. Or the coffee table, most precious place. Millions of idea you create, but unless action taken on that idea, there is nothing. That idea has gone waste. So if you don't want to take actions, please do not even create an idea. Don't even generate idea for doing something in your life. We say, justice delayed is justice denied. Idea delayed is idea destroyed. Idea delayed is idea destroyed. Don't even think about ideas. Simply be happy wherever you are. If you don't want to take actions, because only actions will give you growth, right? And being in the right support network will give you growth. How many of you would like to hang around with me or someone like me? How many of you would like to have me as your friend, mentor, whoever? Have me in your network. There is a saying that you are the average of 5 people you hang around with. When in 2012, when I was a successful entrepreneur already, both my husband and I realized that with our capabilities, our knowledge, we can only reach until this point. If we need to grow beyond this point, we need a guru, mentor in our life who is 10x, minimum 10x times ahead of us. I want to work with someone who's 100x ahead of me, because they will also pull me. They will change the direction of my thinking. They will change the direction of my intellect. Right? Yeah. Of course, that is the teacher's pleasure, right? If the student, see, nobody knew Ramakrishna, only Vivekananda. Because of a student, Ramakrishna was known to the world. Because of the apostles, Jesus was known to the world. So it is never because of Arjun, Krishna was known to the world, right? So a teacher's pride is a student who is doing much better than the teacher. Definitely Vishwanath Chau, right? So I hope you are not confusing movement with progress, right? I said treadmill example, running at the same place, not reaching anywhere. You are making videos, you are doing Facebook ad, no leads, no conversions. There are people who are not doing anything. There are people who are doing, but not doing it the right way. So they're taking actions. The movement is happening, but is it in the direction of progression? So I hope you are not confusing your movement with progress, because you can keep running at the same place and not reach anywhere. You did Facebook ad with your own understanding, where are the leads? You made a YouTube video with your own understanding, where are the leads? Where is business happening? Right? So now my question to you is, can you do all this yourself, or you need a mentor guide who can handhold you? Can you do this yourself? Those who are of you think you can do it yourself, type in the chat box, do it myself, dim, DIM. And those who think you need a mentor, type in the chat box, need a mentor. If you can do it on your own, awesome, guys, with all the knowledge that I have shared, and you can do it faster, super awesome. But if you think you need, a Kapil can do it himself, great. Sonali needs a mentor, Swati Jain needs a mentor, Muttu can do himself, awesome. Anna needs a mentor, Umang needs a mentor, Chandra Saraswat Chandra needs a mentor. Thank you so much, guys, for acknowledging that. Knowing that can I do it myself, that is such a powerful state to be in, when you know if you can do it yourself, and now knowing that I cannot do this, I need a mentor who can put me in the right direction, right? So one thing that changed my life completely, my husband used to say this to me. Actually, it is his quote. It is his quote, but I have taken that quote from him. Okay, and I made it my quote. Okay, so it is, my husband always used to say that, Vandana, you are a dynamite. Okay, and I always, and but I never thought that, I am a dynamite, or but a dynamite also needs a trigger to explode. आप लक्ष्मी बॉम्ब है, उसको जब तक आग नहीं लगाओगे तो फटेगा कैसे वो? Even if you are a dynamite, you still need a trigger to explode, and that mentor, guide, coach, whoever, somebody 10x, 100x ahead of you does that for you. Agree? I know most of you are dynamites here. You are just waiting for that trigger in your life. If you are a dynamite, type in the chat box, I am a dynamite. With your knowledge, you can actually bring about so much transformation in this world. How many of you believe you are a dynamite and you are just waiting to be exploded? You just need the right trigger. Dynamite. Kapil is dynamite. Prachi is dynamite. Subha is dynamite. Sonali is dynamite. Swati is a dynamite. Awesome, guys. Lovely. Harish is dynamite. Bishwanath Sao is dynamite. Gigi says, need the right trigger. Yes. Right. My husband is that trigger in my life. Okay. He simply changed the direction of my life. Yeah. So I hope you do realize that how urgent it is now to get as skilled as possible, as soon as possible. Because, latest budget, what happened in the latest budget? Government has put how much? 4 lakh 78, some big number, crores. Okay. For upgrading the weapons. Even weapons are getting outdated. 60% of budget allocated for that. Because the world is changing, weapons are getting outdated. We are also getting outdated. How many of you already feel outdated? How many of you feel already outdated? As far as your skills is concerned, there is a virtual world which is becoming powerful, and you need to learn the language of that world. Right? So if you don't act on this, you will become outdated. Thank you, Deepak, for acknowledging that. Right? I don't want you to become outdated. Okay? You have reached the right place. If you don't do this, some are acknowledging today we are outdated. Rest who are thinking they are still smart people who are thinking that I know. If you know, wait and watch. 3 to 5 years from now, you will be outdated. But everything changes today. because action changes things and I want you to act. My offer is only for action takers, because if you are not interested in taking actions, please don't waste my time, my energy. Okay, because I only like to work with action takers because I want results. I as I said, I cannot jog for you, I cannot gym for you. You have to take actions, only then growth will happen. An incredible opportunity awaits knowledge givers. Okay, so it's time to invest in yourself. As you see, invest in your skills. I will be skilling you. Remember, do you know Steve Jobs learned calligraphy? Steve Jobs learned calligraphy in his life, and did he know that he's going to come up with world's best fonts? So whatever you skill you learn, it never goes waste. Everything counts. And it's time to skill yourself, and when you work with me, I will help you skill yourself. That skill that you will get, entrepreneurial skill, digital skills, you don't know where all you can apply that. One of my clients, she wanted to run online business, but she said, I can't talk to, I mean, she said, I can't talk on can't do such webinars, but she does wonderfully in the offline world, and people literally love her trainings. So when she created her online presence, she started asking more price for her offline programs. The intent was to digitalize, monetize, market, doing online thing, but she enjoys our offline program. She says, no, I really enjoy offline programs, and she get paid in 3 lakh 4 lakh kind of thing for few days leadership programs. So now she's asking more because she has a digital presence, right? You will not know what is the outcome of the skills that you are going to learn. See, there was one king. I'm going to share one more story. There was a king. He was a child when he was, just 10, 12 years old. He asked his mom, teach me some skill. So his mom said, I don't know, I can't teach you how to run the kingdom and all, but what I know, I can teach you. So she knew how to make clothes. So she said, I will teach you sewing. Okay, sewing. Okay, and he learned sewing. Okay, and once this boy became the king, he was 20, 25 years old. At that point in time, there was a sudden attack on his kingdom, and he was put in the Karagrah jail. Okay, so because he knew stitch sewing, he used to send some messages via sewing to his soldiers outside, and gradually they were able to take him out of the jail. So somebody must be thinking why the king has to learn sewing, and the boy itself would have thought, why should I learn sewing? But you never know what skill you learn, how is it going to help you in your life when. So if you have showed up here in these 5 days, there must be a reason. It's time to skill yourself up, right? And significantly transform the way you are generating your income. And the best way to start is your goal should be converting your annual income into your monthly income. How many of you would like to convert your annual income to monthly income? How many of you would like to convert? Right? Yes, Kapil, Harish, Swati would like to convert, Sonali would like to convert, Gigi would like to convert, Vishwanath, everybody wants that, right? So I've already done that. Okay, I've converted my annual into monthly. I'm looking at how to convert my monthly into weekly and how to convert my weekly into my day's income and then my day income to an hourly income. I'm on that journey. How many of you would like to be on that journey with me? From annual to monthly, monthly to weekly, weekly to daily, daily to hourly. And that should be your revenue goal. Think big, guys. Think big. Think big. If you think small, you will act small. If you think big, you will do things that will make you do bigger things. Right? Yes, Anna. Yes, Gigi. Yes, Prem Bhatia ji. Right? So time to turn your passion into profits. It's time to claim your digital estate. That address, you know what is the real estate is very expensive. Digital estate is very cheap. Real estate is with just few hundreds and thousands and a couple of lakhs, you can build your digital estate. Okay, so time to build digital assets. And what you need is the Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh of entrepreneurship in your life. You need to completely disrupt the way you're acting, working right now. You need that transformation first so that you can create something meaningful which will create impact in the lives of the people as knowledge givers. We are entering the golden age of our planet, which is the Gurukul model. And all of you are teachers because everyone needs teachers in their life, right? And then how to sustain that business model. So create a profitable routine as well as create a profitable future. For that, you will have to first disrupt the way you are working right now. You are doing things now. And I can play all the three roles in your life, in your business, right? So it's time to shift from offline to online. It's time to create your first online course, digitizes a recorded course. It's time to make the digital puzzle working for you. We looked at what are the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle. The 5 pillars, make the 5 pillars working for you, how the 8 pieces and 5 pillars connect. And this is the flywheel model I was talking about, attracting strangers with your message, engaging prospects, giving them lot of value, nurturing them. Okay, then only it will grow into a movement, a fruit and flower bearing tree. Delight them so much with your offerings, give them so much value, make their growth your agenda. My growth is your my agenda is your growth, because my life is all about growth and giving, and my vision is to create a more growing and giving world, because I know what it has done to me, right? So this is the flywheel model. We attract strangers with the pain, 7P pain process. Okay. And with nurturing, conversion, community building strategies, we try to convert it into a movement. And when thousands of people come together because they resonate with your message and you have been leading them, giving outcomes in their life, they become your brand ambassadors. They start promoting your message, and it becomes a huge momentum in this world. It's time to create your flywheel model. Okay. Now, some of you may be thinking the glass is half full, the glass is half empty. That means some of you may be thinking, wow, very nice sales pitch, right? You can continue to think that. Okay. But those guys who think you need a bigger glass, welcome to my world. I am only here to serve people who are thinking you need a bigger glass. If you think it is half full, half empty, I'm sorry, I'm not your coach, mentor. I'm not for you. Okay, there are many people who can help you. This is our relationship wouldn't go for long. Okay, I need you to ask for a bigger glass. How many of you have a bigger capacity? How many of you believe you are cut out for bigger things in life? Type in the chat box. I believe I am cut out for bigger things in life. How many of you think you're cut out for bigger things in life? How many of you think you have potential to do much more than what you are doing at present? Kapil is cut out for bigger things. Muttu is cut out for bigger things. Sonali, Deepak is cut out for bigger things. Sonali is cut out for bigger things. Tarun ji is cut out for bigger things. Swati, Deepak, wow. Shubha, Prachi, Mona, beautiful guys. Thank you so much. Okay. So it's time for your growth, massive growth, exponential growth. Okay. So why work with me? I have 24 years of professional experience, 14 years of serial entrepreneurship experience, being a struggling job seeker to a job provider. Created 7 diverse businesses from scratch with absolutely no idea on how to run a business. I started with words like lead and commercial. I only know what that lead means. In chemistry, I was good in chemistry. PB, lead ka symbol, that was the lead, or pencil ki lead, utna hi malum hai. Oh, lead, I didn't even know what is a lead. I was so technical. I didn't know what is commercial mean. I only knew Commercial Street in Bangalore, and my father was commercial officer in Nagpur Telephones. So when I started from an employee to an entrepreneur, I started from there, not knowing the basic terms of sales and marketing. And sales is the toughest job in the world. And all of us are selling either a thought, an idea, a product, a service, knowledge, something. So it is better that we empower ourselves with in-trend, powerful, proven, time-tested, advanced selling strategies that belongs to the new age world, right? I have expertise in franchising and luxury retailing. I've done all kinds of businesses from IT, non-IT, B2B, B2C, different clients, different stakeholders, different types of employees, different types of customers. All in all, over these years, I have developed a very strong business acumen. Okay. Also co-authored a book on entrepreneurship called You Can Do It, along with my husband, life partner, business partner. I call him my first guru. He gave me a lot of mindset shifts. So those of you who have given me a Google review, I'm going to be giving you a free copy of my book. So I'm noting that you will receive it over the weekend. I just need some time to get it on track. All of you, thank you so much for your kind words, powerful words, heartfelt words. I'm going to be sharing. Givers gain. So those who give, they gain. And as a thank you gift, I would like to give you this copy of my book on entrepreneurship. Please accept it. Thank you so much. By the way, though I was a successful entrepreneur, I was featured in CNBC in 2009, 2008-9 time frame. I was doing pretty well. I was featured in CNBC because with just 5 employees, we had a turnover of 5 crores in just one couple of years of our business. Okay. So I hope you guys saw that video. I'm not sure how many of you watched that video. In the beginning, I had shared with you. So as I said, when we realized that we need people who are 10x, 100x ahead of us, I invested close to 42 lakhs since 2012. And these are my mentors, Dr. Ivan Meisner, Lisa Nicholas, Dennis Waitley, John and Missy Butcher. Okay. These are my spiritual gurus, Neil Donald Walsh, Jeffrey Allen, Sadhguru and Mahatria. These are my digital mentors, Vic, Siddharth and Gopal. Last 3 years, I have been learning lots from them, and that is what I'm sharing with you, along with my own insights that I bring. After learning the 5 pillars of digital success, I learned from my mentor, Vic. Okay. And I learned a lot of things from Siddharth's digital strategies and digital courses and all, and from Gopal, the binge marketing concept, which is WhatsApp, what I'm doing right now, right? So these are some of my celebrity interactions. I've also conducted offline programs on life, business, and spirituality. And as I said, this was not my start. This was not my start. I started with an emotionally and financially struggling childhood. I shared that my my father met with an accident. When I was 5 years old. He recently passed away on 30th of December. So when I look back, I see I could have lost him many times. I could have lost him when I was just 5 years old. And I don't know what would have happened to us, because we didn't had any relatives and family, because I shared that already. My parents had love marriage and they were cast away from the society, and only neighbors and strangers and office colleagues is where I received a lot of help and support. My family received a lot of help and support. And then I was a nobody in school, but I was a product of good teachers. I was a national level hockey player, again because our teacher saw something special in me which I didn't see in myself. And then though I struggled to find job for 3 years post engineering, failing more than 20 plus written tests, entry level tests, and by that time my friends they started going abroad, and I was still struggling to find decent job. And then finally got into the job TCS in 1999, where Ankur and I met, my husband and I met. And I was climbing the corporate ladder faster until my maternity. I went to US, New Jersey. I was there for 3 years. And when I conceived, I'm very proudly, I can say I'm among those. I conceived in US, but I came back to India for my delivery. So I have 2 daughters, 2003 and 2005 born. And October, November born. So I was made the scapegoat in bell curve normalization during those time and a victim of office politics. And then that's where I decided to simply quit. I didn't even know what I will be doing. And then an entrepreneur within me unfolded, and I was getting ready for something bigger. I was getting ready for something huge all this while. No voice is, and everyone is, others are also having the same problem. Am I clear? Audio, video clear? Type in the chat box AVC, please. Yes. So Muthu, it's problem at your end. Kindly check. Right? So being a victim of circumstances to warrior, being life happening to me versus I happening to life. I was sitting in the back seat of the car. Now I'm sitting in the driving seat of the car. How many of you want to be in the driving seat of your car, of your life? Thank you so much, Prem Bhatia ji. Thank you so much. And those who stayed back yesterday, I shared my video also, right? How I started in 2017, right? So guys, I'm just one among you, except that, I take actions, and it is so difficult for me to see why people don't take actions. Can't you see your own growth by taking actions? I'm just one among you. It's just that I take actions, I take decisions. Money ka kya hai, yaar? I have failed businesses also. Heart shut. I have lost money in crores also. We can earn again. What is there? If you have skills, you know what? Okay, let me share this with you. See, there are hundreds of startups, okay, and only one becomes successful. But that one becomes so successful that it inspires other 100 startups to continue working on that idea. But do you know what happens to those 99 startups who have failed? The people who are working, they get placed at better position, better package if they go back to jobs, because they have got the necessary skills, acquired knowledge, and everyone wants smart and wise people. Even recession cannot touch you. If you have right skills, do you agree? If you have right skills, you are always wanted, in demand. Do you agree to this? Yes. Muthu, please restart your Zoom. You are having issues with the audio. My audio, others are able to hear, right? So, guys, it's like, no, give that shot, yeah. I mean, unless you take actions, how will you know what is waiting for you to be unleashed, unlocked? What possibilities are awaiting you, right? So these are some of my pictures. I'm a very ordinary person, as I said, right? What I can do for you, I can help you from struggling offline to thriving online. Okay. You cannot see your own blind spots. Why does a Messi need a coach? Virat Kohli does not know how to play cricket. Sachin Tendulkar does not know how to play cricket. Messi does not know how to play soccer. Ronaldo does not know how to play soccer. They know their stuff. Still, they need a coach, a mentor in their life. Because we cannot see our own blind spots. Right? You know your stuff. We need somebody who can help you, right? Do you see the need for having a mentor in your life? So it's time to create a profitable routine and design your ATM machine both at the same time. Futuristic ATM machine, anytime money making machine, whatever, wherever, whenever, without worrying about affordability. But it will take, anything precious does not come easy. You have to prepare, you have to do the hard work. I'm not going to say that there is no shortcut to success. There are a lot of sleepless nights to become overnight success. There is nothing called overnight success, right? So how can you work with me? So guys, I am done with I was actually with your batch. I was kind of done with everything that I had to share yesterday itself. So now I'm going to be making an offer how you can work with me. So I do want to look at your challenges and questions that you have filled, but I'll make the offer first. And while I'm waiting for you to make the payment. I will address your questions and look at your challenges, right? So those who have come for the knowledge bite, I think you can leave now. And those who want to see how do you want to work with me, you want to see my offer, you can continue to stay, because my offer is not for everyone. It is only for people who want to build serious business, who are serious for their own growth. Because I'm here to, because your growth matters to me. I want to help you grow. If you don't take actions, it is just an intellectual kick that you will get working with me. I'm not interested. Okay. It's not that you are going to choose me. I am also going to choose you, especially for personal consulting. It's not that you are paying money, so I will take you as my customer or whatever, because I'm not looking for customers. I'm looking for leaders who are teachers, who have valuable knowledge. So our frequency also needs to match. Okay. So there are many things. I don't operate like a typical people, what they do in the market. Okay. So I work on my own terms. And if you can see, you can align to that, that will be great, right? Then there is a frequency match and we can do a lot of good things together. Okay. So do I have your permission to share my offer, guys? Do I have your permission to share my offer? Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Anna. Thank you, Shubha. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Umang. Thank you, Gigi. So I have two offers, okay? Either you can go for personal consulting or you can go for group consulting. Thank you, Prachi. Thank you, Archika. Thank you, Mona. Thank you, Vishwanathji. Thank you so much. Right? So there are two ways you can work with me: personalized monthly consulting or a group consulting. My group consulting is a 30-day challenge where it is mentoring as well as consulting. Chandra, Saprachi, thank you so much. Yeah. So group consulting and personalized consulting. I'm going to be sharing personally how you can work with me. Okay. So we will be building your Amazon flywheel model in the personal consulting session, end to end. Okay. So what you will get in personal consulting, we will help you. I'll help you create. We'll be creating your flywheel. We will have all the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle in place, as and when you're ready with whatever next stage, right? Getting your online office, getting your content and communication right, making sure that you are on right social media with right influence building strategy, right automation, necessary automation, with whatever budgets you have then, right? And setting up the funnels for lead generation, lead capturing lead and lead generation, and also, optimizing your spends. Now I'm here to help you save lots of money, recurring cost, what you can do, what you must outsource, what some there are recurring like creatives and all you can make on your own, and I will teach you how to make all of that, how to use the autoresponder. I will teach you that, how to upload your courses in learning management system. I will teach you that. But logo designing, website, making your website, Facebook campaign, we are going to be doing a workshop on 20th February. If you guys want to learn, you can come there. But if you can do it on your own, great, but that is separate. The ad copy, I'll help you work on your ad copy. I'll help you. One second, guys. Right. So setting up your digital factory in autopilot mode is what is the outcome of your personalized consulting session with me. Right. So that traffic generation, list building, copywriting, conversion, the 8P, the success blueprint in the internet age, that's what we are going to be working together. We will build your lead magnets. What can become your lead magnets on your web presence, or if you are doing YouTube video, how to get, how to direct people, how to capture the leads, right? Your content videos, your promotional videos, you will need testimonial videos, you will need I know how to extract all these, how to make podcasts, blogs, mini courses, and getting your product stacking, which is Tripwire, like we did with Shubha, how we did the product stacking, right? We will do all of that. Product, what can become your core product, what can become your profit maximizer, how you should price it, everything we will be covering in that, right? So what do you get? That your Facebook ad copy, where that will generate quality leads for you, monetization and marketing strategy specific to your offering, and also helping you get your personal clarity, right? So I had these blueprints. I want to show that. I will do all of that once I make the offer. While you're making the payment, there are a few more important things. There are some blueprints that I want to share with you. I'll give you a glimpse of that as well and show you how what those blueprints are and how to fill them. And very important to create a system from your solution. So I'll help you do that as well, because otherwise what happens, this is called packaging of your product. Okay. I say I simply have 3 questions that you need to ask. Okay. For your marketing collateral, nobody would remember. But the moment I said the GPS, you will never forget GPS. It's an what is GPS? Global positioning system in the Google world, right? But it is actually your positioning, your business positioning in the market. It's your anchor, GPS, right? That's your address, right? So important. And if some of you want to publish your ebook, I can help you with that as well, because that becomes a great lead magnet. But now more we can have better lead magnets. I have better ideas for lead magnets apart from ebook. But I know some of the people have already published book or already in the process of writing book, and then how we can extract lead magnets out of it. I have a lot of idea. I have $1 million idea. I'm an idea person. I'm strategy person. I generate millions and millions of ideas, and they're $1 million ideas. Okay. So what you get, relevant content bank creation, massive value creation. Yeah, Mona Srivastav. Yeah. See, because from books you don't make money here. Book helps you position yourself as a authority. It is a market. It's a great marketing tool. Book. No one has become rich just by writing books. But after the books, what kind of speaking engagements they get, that is where the money comes from. Okay. So that is a learning that we invested almost 3.5 lakhs to learn how to write and publish a book way back in 2013-14. And that's why I'm saying I've spent more than 42 lakhs since 2012 on my learnings. We signed up for a publish and grow rich book, the program by Jerry Roberts before. Okay. So I will also help you how to do your webinars, how to write up your bonuses, and help you establish your mega credibility, create a credible online presence. It's called being Amitabh Bachchan of your industry. Whether he's selling oil or just dial or whatever, biscuits, dairy milk, whatever it is, right? People buy you. After that, they buy your products or services. So it's important to build a mega credibility. And it is important to communicate value communication. Most of you are doing awesome job, but you don't know to communicate your value, and that is why you're struggling with sales and people not paying you. And a lot of people have challenged for asking money. So we'll work on all of that. Relevant content creation, how to do WhatsApp classes. I will make sure that you have to take actions. You should be willing to invest. Okay. All I can guarantee is I will never make you spend even 1 rupee extra when I know it can be done at a lower cost. I have not pitched, I have not given you any of my affiliate links. All the tools that I shared with you, I have affiliate links. But I'm not sharing that with you because this is not the right time for you to get on board them. Right? So growing here, I have one more consult. One of my clients, I don't know if Blossom. Any of you from my past batches available in today's program? Any of you who are in my 30-day challenge or personal consulting, are you there in the program right now? There is so much to learn that they also enjoy coming back and learning. Let me see. Aditya ji or Jaya, anyone here? Anyone from my 30-day batch or personal consulting here? Let me check. Jaya. Okay. No. My 30-day batch is already going on right now. So they know I always have something new to share, so they keep joining. Now, I was just looking if any one of them is around. No problem, right? So growing your subscribers on YouTube channel, organic lead generation via blogs, videos, podcasts, because it's not about what content you are recording. How are you recording that content? Okay. So your right, relevant, risk-free. I call it 3R content and communication. Right? very important to get your communication right first, right? Because that's where your lead leaks are happening, right? So KDM personal consulting. Now, before I go there, I want to show you something. Before I go to my pricing, let's look at how you should price your products. Okay, I'm going to do a stop share.